Alright guys, let's get started. In this tutorial we are going to talk about indexing inside the strings. So by default in JavaScript you could actually access indexes of a string. Now before one of the prior tutorial we talked about the variables, which were kind of boxes. Now think of indexes as the address to the boxes, and then these addressed are specifically in numbers, and they always start from 0. For example, I write over here a string called hello, then this H would have an index of 0, E would have 1, L would have 2, this L would have 3, and this would have 4. And if I want to access an index, I would just put my square brackets and then the number of element I want to access. For example, I want to see O, and I put index 4 and it's showing me O, right? Now let's say I have a variable over here with the name of str, and inside is hello James, right? And at a later point I want to log the first letter or the first character of my string, and I would just write string and in the square brackets give a index which is 0. Sorry, it's not actually 0, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's actually 6. So I would give 6 if I want to see the first character of the name James, right? As you can see here it is. Now you can actually compare the strings too. Let's take a look into that. So if I would say I have a string hello and I want to compare it with hello, it will return true if both of them are equal. But this comparison is case sensitive, which means if there is a slight change, which would be like one of the characters is in lower cases and the other in upper cases, it will still return false. It will not compare them, right? Okay, so that's it for this tutorial.